So you're not paying a Netflix subscription, you're paying Netflix rent.
I thought you were talking about just normal apartment paying rent. I was like, did you do that already?
Nah, bro. I don't, I just live in other people's walls.
Damn.
Yeah.
Rent free?
That's what they say. Their own walls? That's great.
I'm high on walls.
Now look at their own balls.
High on balls? Sure.
It's not balls?
Yeah. You know what, fake Lucas, I'm gonna send you a.
Now, who's the fake one? I'm confused.
Yeah, the fake one. Yeah, it says the balls with Casey.
Oh, the balls with Casey. Brother, that's the funniest shit ever. Not really, but still pretty funny. I think something. I'm streaming the wrong screen. I just realized.
Ah, yes.
Should be this one. Yeah, now it's right. Okay. The fuck, that was funny. I was so confused. Harold, did you do changes to yes?
No.
Okay. Because we still have the window problem thing, scaling resolution stuff.
Well, I don't know, bro. Works on my machine.
No, wait, what was... Did we have it? I don't remember. On client. No, it was the black thingy. It leaves it... yeah, like that.
Bro, I am not responsible for this.
Well, you are kind of, because it's randomly when it works and randomly when it doesn't.
So that means responsible.
But how am I?
Well, I don't know, bro. Like, you changed some stuff in the renderer.
Because it doesn't even send me the request that it's being resized right now. Now it sent it.
That sounds like your problem.
And now it did not. Now it sent. No, it did it? 9. Okay, now it sent it, yeah. So it's not even recognizing that I'm resizing. It hasn't sent it, hasn't. Now it sent it. Why do I hear myself? And this one is listening to your resize messages, not something that I have done.
Yeah, well, that might be my fault.
Nah, it isn't your fault, Harold. You did nothing wrong.
Right, no, I did not.
But yeah, I wanted to get rid of this. Greetings? Who is it? Is what?
Sure.
What? Should we do the build script now so we have different form?
It's gonna take you forever, it's not worth it.
Well, we kinda need rip Helix, yeah, rip Helix, man. The Helix was not good. It was not good. We did not like Helix. Helix was pretty bad.
What the fuck?
And I still get like, sometimes it gets stuck with, well, it doesn't recognize button release sometimes. It's weird.
No, it's just when you unfocus the thing.
Yeah, I don't unfocus, but it still gets stuck sometimes.
Fucking bitch ass glad.
I'm trying to figure out why. It's just sometimes it is stuck.
4.5.
I don't know.
Version 4.5.
Anyways. Let's see, I'm gonna take it.
You know what, the resizing doesn't work for me either, but I think I might know why.
Sure. It's Jower, exactly. Okay, multiplayer. Woo! We're gonna get that thing working now. So I think we should probably also fix that, but we'll do that in a bit. Then Cheesecake had some physics ideas, so we'll have to see on that what it's about. We'll leave that like that, I think it's fine. This should not happen here, but it does. For now, it's fine. I'm thinking. If I run. You! Woo! A client.
Bless you.
Thank you. And then I'll do Zig build run server. Okay, we'll have some issues. Let's fix those first. Right. Hi Zig, hello Kayal. How are you, my dear friend? Right, we have to change it slightly, the naming of these libraries now, because this oh fuck.
No, don't fuck it.
Yeah, I just realized system client, like so. Main system client. And let's go here, let's see. Server main. What? That should. That's so interesting. Why would it say that now? Main source root. I didn't even do any changes to the main.
Oh. Oh, that's a fucking leak.
Already exists. File not found. Did I do something? Ah, yes, I did do it wrong. That should be all right. Thank you. How is it going? It's going all right. I'm fine. How about you? It's okay. System client. I feel like this should be all right. Why is it not fine? Because I renamed the wrong thing. This one is client. Like so. So now we got the thing over there. And then we can now add the server. And another thing that we'll do, let's see, we'll get time. And then here, let's see, this one will be server. Server, like so. And this we only.
By the way, Lucas, do you think I should change the focus to just be a boolean instead?
What is it like right now?
You know, now you do like focus equals dot focused or focus equal dot unfocused.
I would say just a bool, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck it. Okay. How the fuck did those values turn out to be negative?
That is so weird. If I add the build for server, then the client doesn't build anymore. What does it do differently? It doesn't do anything differently. What? Oh no, but it's uncommented still. Yeah. Root source file structure root has no member name world. Oh, but that's server. Ah, because okay, now that's why. That makes sense. Main server, let's see. Yeah. Don't get that from there anymore. System.world. Well, they don't. Yeah, because it's not a shared world anymore. That's why. And I don't have that shared right now. Hello, Prakarkapo. Jesus. Sorry, I cannot. I completely butchered your name there, man. I'm sorry. What you making, by the way? I'm making kind of like a Risk of Rain kind of game without an engine. That's the goal. Yeah, that's the goal. I mean, it has been a bit weird lately because I'm like, should I? But then, yeah, I should. We're gonna take this from here. I think this makes sense. And then we're gonna put it in this one's systems. This one has to be updated. This one is still using the old version of it, but it's fine. We need the EC then in systems. It used to be in shared, that's why. Well, I guess it's still in shared. But we're gonna do it like this now. Like that. And we're gonna put it there. And we don't even have shared. Why is there a testing that's Zig? EC. That. No. Share. What the hell is going on? There, like so, and then we're gonna take none C. Actually, it comes also from shared when I now realized it. Share dot and set. And we're not gonna use camera any longer for the server side. Hey, so is Zig a language? Yeah, never heard of it. Yeah, it's a programming language. It's how old is it? 4 years or I don't know.
It's like 10 years old.
Is it 10 years? Oh my god, I don't even know how old the language is. That's crazy. But yeah.
But I mean, they haven't had like that big of a team until like, I mean, semi-recently, I guess. It like
Is it more people
Rust.
than Andrew Kelly? Like I thought he was still just the only developer, to be honest.
Well, he's the lead developer, but there's other people working on it as well, some contributors. But it's not like Rust, like Rust and Zig started like both 2016. But Rust is backed by like Mozilla, you know, and they have like employees and shit.
That's crazy. Let's see, attempt lookup function. Okay. This should now be fine. I'm pretty damn sure about it. Let's see. Sig out library. We should have the client and the server binary there, so it should be fine. How it's being used. Hello. People say Zig is good as Python? Wait, what do you mean good Python? It's what do you mean by that?
Python is not good, bro. Python is the worst piece of shit I've ever used in my life.
Don't hate on my boy Python.
Python is actually so bad. It's so unpredictable. It's garbage. You don't know like if anything is gonna work at all, and bugs in it, bro. Oh hell no.
Dude,
Python is just
nah.
nah. It's just like C++ if it was even less useful.
Wait, do I actually have?
Hold on, wait a minute. Is this our main?
Yes.
We don't even have Wayland. We're always just on X. Pro.
Love. No, wait. What?
Yeah, you were only on X, bro.
What? Well. Oh. Wait, how do I check if it's, can I be explicit about it? Like, can I say? How can I Linux, but I cannot know?
Yeah, just use the cross one. Like this was for having a custom, like X. No, a custom
my
Mac
God,
backend. But okay, just change it out a bit, okay?
Well,
Okay, so
can't you
I
make a PR for it? Because then
Bro, I have other shit to do, bro. Yeah, but I can just send you the like
Yeah, you
simple
can.
as a version.
Yeah, you could do that, and I can fix it.
I mean, it's really easy to use if you're not a dumbass.
I'm a dumbass.
Yeah, like that's. Yeah. I don't know. But
Oh
I sent
yeah,
you
I
some
have to
stuff
do
there.
it. It's funny, but we have to do that. We're gonna change. We don't have to do this anymore. Systems.
Okay, so Lucas, the reason why it's been like so shitful for you with the resizing is most likely because it's been X11 and the X Wayland is like half functioning. Oh, all these bugs. I thought were bugs, but no.
Well,
Wayland.
I still need though X11 for
Yeah. But if you use this like thing here that I sent, it's gonna like auto detect it.
Okie dokie.
Yeah. Oh man, that explains so much, bro. You're gonna be using Wayland and then you're gonna just have like the best time in your life because Wayland is like the best supported platform currently.
Wayland is like the Python of fucking graphicals.
Well, not really though. Like Wayland in itself, like the actual protocol, is actually like really good. It's just GNOME that breaks it and makes it awful. So, yeah. And KD, kinda everyone actually makes Wayland like kinda shit.
Nobody
But
says
the
that
protocol, bro.
Odin is ass now, so that's pretty fire. We don't
Yeah,
even need.
that's pretty fair.
We don't even need an asset manager for the. Why is there a shared asset manager for the server? What do we need to load assets for on the server?
I don't know, bro. I don't know.
Yeah, that was what I was thinking.
Lorenzo just put it there, and then I just didn't even think about it, so yeah.
Yeah, same. I don't think we need that, so we can get rid of it.
Bro, fix the windowing.
I will. Trust me, brother. Trust me. The only thing that we need is the allocator, I guess, for this view and that. We'll look into it in a bit. The window. You sent me it. Whoa! What is that? Celebrate your friendship anniversary. We have an okay. We're gonna Harold. It's apparently we have an anniversary right now.
What?
Yeah. Yes. Look, I'm putting you on this on live stream right now. Today is our anniversary. March. Has it already been a year? That's crazy, man. How do we celebrate? That one looks pretty fire. I gotta take this thing.
I gotta go eat food, but bro, you should be able to set up the windowing, right?
Yeah, I will be able to do that.
Yeah. Okay, good. Baby.
Alright. It's the same thing. But wait, what the fuck? It's different. Okay, wait. Can I do this? Let's put it there. Let's see, cross-platform. Should be anything different? I think that's pretty much the same thing. We don't need that anymore. Let's see. Some complaints about this server. Okay, let's not build the server because it's kind of like. Oopsie daisy. Let's see. Return wrong surface type. Okay, probably just put the wrong. Let's do this. It's easier to read. Let's see. Do you have to specify Vulkan cross-platform platform? Surface type. I guess he has it still here. Surface type Vulkan. Still a few problems. Whoa. Found that and then create Wayland surface. Be table Vulkan create surface. Prop address try options Vulkan try init. Try init panic program bug cost syscom. I think we had this problem before. Not sure, but I think we did. Sig fetch. You have to do it like that. That, this, I should say. Still doing the same thing. Let's find out why. But I don't think we should have to do anything like this anymore. This could probably go away. Let's see. So we do this. This doesn't look init minimal. Does it take in? It wants minimal. And then I just did it for. And then new platform, cross-platform, empty interface, title. Why would it do this? Let's go through these steps then. So let's see, we have renderer line 94 is where the problem is at. So here, how is this a problem? This one shouldn't have anything to do with. Fuck. Am I reading the right thing? Yeah, I'm reading the right thing. Before. Weird. I think it's not telling me the right error. Not at all. Hey man, good evening, good day. Hello, Lerio. Thank you. It's evening for me. Actually just confused right now. Handle. Let's see if we go to line. Oh shit. 72. So in here, well, it should still be fine. Should pass all of the right information, perhaps not. Are you switching from 1.1 to 1.4, building something new? Yeah, I should update the thumbnail. I guess I have done the switch already. I think I don't really have anything right now. I have been a bit lazy lately with the updating of the timeline title because it got so frequent that I was just doing the same things. I kind of forgot about it. Got that. We got this timeline semaphores. Maybe something we could look into still. This we got. Push descriptor I have not. I think these two we have done. So no wait, push descriptor. Didn't we do this as well? I think so. These two are still like left, I think, to actually do. Don't worry, the ChatGTP message there was I got stuck. Okay. What's going on over here? Why is this wrong? Let's see. Surface. Options surface init data and then handle init. So I have to find out where do I actually initially provide the handle to what this should be here. In the render. Oh yeah, I was in the wrong line. Stupid me. It's in here the problem happens. Let's see. 94. And it happens because when it goes through here and it tries to go through here to platform vtable window, error load vk create Wayland surface. So it's not okay. We can try another thing. Okay, so that's interesting. X11 seems to almost work. I don't know. That's not how it should be. Let's see if I can get a resize to trigger. I got one to trigger. Can I get another one? There. So I cannot. Right, I think I know the issue. I need to still pass. Let's see here. Now I remember. Xlib surface. We still need to know this because it doesn't get it. Can I get the extensions from what's it called? I have to ask him if he has implemented such a feature. Is there like a Vulkan, VK, Wayland? Is there anything to do with type Wayland structure create info? No. What's it called then? Vulkan Wayland surface. That's literally it, I think. So we need that, and then it should work in Wayland. Yep. And that one gets resized as soon as I'm... Whoa, it looks a bit different. Wait, why did it get... Okay. And but the controls are completely fucked over here. I should print out where I'm at. I have no idea where I'm going right now. Let's see, I think I left a print for that. No, I did not. Damn, I'm crazy. Log, debug, pos. Then we can say that, then we can say it's gonna be an any. We're gonna provide self the transform position like so. And there should reload. Yep, okay, so there. Okay, this is super weird. It's like stuck. It doesn't recognize my inputs. Now it's okay, now it works and now it doesn't. And now I'm just moving away faster and faster. I'm not even pressing a key. I thought he said it was better. I think it's worse on Wayland than on X11. Why is it going to the... I press A, I press D and it goes to the left. That's crazy. Okay. I think Wayland is worse. It doesn't even recognize that I pressed escape. Holy shit, what the fuck is happening on Wayland? Damn. Okay, but I'm gonna ask him, does he have a way to get these things? Because I would like to have the extensions properly. Because we shouldn't have to toggle between these two like that, and it shouldn't be even manually specified. Let's see. What if I do just yes dot... What can I do? Platform. Or maybe I do have platform. So can I do platform dot... Okay, I can go into this thing and see what do we have in here. Can I get the extensions somehow? Cross search grep extension. Let's see. Get required extensions. That sounds like Vulkan. So inside of the Vulkan namespace. Ah, look at that. Yeah. And because I'm already inside of Vulkan, I don't even have to do a if case. I could just... Well, actually, no, I'm not. Well, it's init Vulkan, so I guess I could. Let's see, can we make it fancy? Const vk extension, and then we can just go yes platform dot was it window? How the fuck was it platform dot Vulkan? I swear I had it. I had it there for a moment. Now I forgot about it. That's great. So yes dot okay Vulkan dot get required extensions. How the fuck do I get type? What is the type supposed to be? And what is the... T? Where is T being used even? Oh, it just returns in what format I want it in. Ah, okay. And then platform Unix session type. How do I get the session type? T is a string type, example, okay. Or I'm gonna provide that I want the same. Does it automatically? Yeah, it does put it in array, so I'm gonna use the same that I do for listing. So like that. Bam. But how do I get the session type? TTY, X11 or Wayland. Oh, there's a detect that will return at this. Oh, okay, so I can do a detect and then process. So I need an init minimal if I'm going to be doing that. Well, that sucks because that I don't have inside of the renderer. And I don't feel particularly interested in doing it either. But what we could do is he probably stores it somewhere. When he multi-platform, cross, we created a cross. So init, and this is just a cross, which is a. Is it a, what is this? Inner is a window. Can I get from the window? Where can I get this from? Because there is a session type which I should be able to get from somewhere. Comes from platform. Okay. So maybe I can do platform dot pointer black. No. I don't know what I'm trying to get. Ah. No. Yes, platform. But I should have this stored somewhere. Inner. I swear to God. Where is it coming from? Session type. Switch casing on it. So it doesn't store it, just does what it's supposed to do, and then it initializes. Build option, lib wayland. Could this store the session type at the same time? Because I wouldn't really not like to pass in minimal everywhere. I will ask him when he gets back. For now, we'll just have to do it. Yeah, that's fine. And then we can focus again on the server. And then we passed the world into here because we wanted to do something apparently. I don't remember. World accept, and then yeah, so we can access the world here. And then here, stream buffer right, world mutex lock, and then we'll add an entity, and that would have been it. And then yeah, okay, so we do need the world, which I removed apparently by accident.
I'm back, Lucas. Did you fix the window?
Yes, there's two problems.
Okay.
So first of all, is there a way to get the if depending on if it's a Wayland or xlib, because I need the accurate extension, right, when I initialize Vulkan. So right now I just added manually Wayland. I see that when you init, you do use the get required instance extensions, but you don't store the current.
Yeah, I know.
I guess it could be convenient there when you initialize it to store it, so you could access it through platform to know which. What's it called?
Yeah, I could probably do that.
Yeah. And another problem I have is that if I start the program, right, and then I move, it's not registering my key press right now. Now it's registering. Now it doesn't. Now it registers. And okay, and now I released, but it still presses. I press S again. It doesn't register. I press again. Now it registered. I pressed S. Now I press A. Okay.
You're probably fucking up the event polling. Go to the main.
I don't know, sometimes it's reversed. When I press D, it goes to the left when it's supposed to go to the right. It's weird. Yeah.
Yeah, scroll up to where you're doing the actual window stuff.
we can remove this. This was the old one.
Okay, looks good. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
This one should probably not. Well, it's fine to have in here, but I should put it somewhere else. But it's okay there.
I would probably do the system context update function before the switch.
Oops. Why did it go 24? That's not 24. Whatever. Oops. So I don't know if that shouldn't really matter. It's the same thing.
Yeah.
No,
Is
it
it
still gets stuck.
Okay. I think I might know why.
I'm not even pressing a button right now.
Great.
Now it goes to the left when I press to go to the right.
Here, are you holding any like modifiers, like a shift or a control?
No, I'm not.
Okay, but does the resizing work?
I think so. Wait, can I just...
Press R.
Yeah, I'm pressing R, but it's like, it moves meters I have no control of. Can it make it stop? Wait,
It's unfocus the window.
Oh, so, now.
Yeah.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, try resizing the window.
Now, okay. Yeah, the resizing works. But it doesn't work on
just
the...
like, yeah, X11, but it's... Like, I don't have any control over that. That's just X11 being bad.
Now it goes down when it's supposed to go up. No! Yeah, I don't know.
I think you've done something to the controls. In this case,
I haven't done, and that's the register of me pressing escape until I spam it 100 times.
Okay, great. Can you just print the key you're pressing?
Just here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do a T.
T. And then... That didn't like it. T. Did I do it wrong? No, that should be it.
Key.sim.
Ah. Who doesn't read chat anymore? Yeah, no, I just saw T-Chef, was like, oh, not this guy again. Okay, maybe I should remove pause so it doesn't also spam that in the chat. And let's see. So now if I press S, nothing happened. S, nothing happened. S, okay, now S came 2 times. A, okay, A 2 times. D, okay, now D came 2 times. W, now W.
But it's because it's printing when the press and release is happening.
Okay, so E. Okay, now E happened immediately, even though I pressed once. Q, nothing happened. Q, okay, now Q happened once. Q, now Q happened once. A release A. D, okay, and
yeah, I think I know how to fix this.
And it said escape, but it didn't escape. What? What the fuck is this now?
Fantastic.
Okay, but what's the plan now? I'm gonna do the multiplayer thing to get multiple connections, right? And Harold is fixing yes. That's the plan. Nothing big, right? No biggie. We're gonna do this and yes, fire. Yes, very much fire. I think we'll do systems for the server to just update the update loop, not the init and dinit, because that would be bad, I consider. So what we'll do, we can still have them in here in case we want to quickly try it once, but I don't think we'll actually use it. So system table here. So we will just That's interesting that I don't do. That's fine. System update, and then we'll take system init, we'll take it away from here, and we'll put it right. System table, system context init. Yeah, no, that's what I meant. And we'll call that. And it should have been loaded once. Anyways, we will not reload that thing, we will not do that thing, and if we will not do that, we will just do a reload, update the update. And why am I still a bit confused here? Reload. Right, because I'm not supposed to do that anymore. It's actually just system.table. Like that. Dot this and system context. Defer that and then system table this and then system context. Wow. So system watcher is just watcher. I don't think we call it reload anyway, do we? If reload. Well, actually, I should take it from here. I think I will take in the update there again. System table update. And we can do that still, that's fine. And we can take this, we're gonna simplify it a lot though. Boom. And that. Set this. So we're gonna close that one. This is the most horrible way I've done it. We're gonna load in the new, we're not gonna d'init server, asset server, we're not gonna reinitialize this asset server, not that we have it. And then we're gonna reinitialize this with just that information. And I think that will be fine. Except that, yeah, no, that's oh shit, that's bad. Okay, we'll figure it out. So what we can do is that we'll have the systems here, and we can also open up systems for the client here. I just realized that I probably want to rename this one to system. This is more of a namespace than it is actual structure, yeah. But we can still take in share and DC in here. What I will do is I will actually just take a raw copy of everything and I will change it to be accurate to our needs. Yeah, that's what I will do. Like so. Yo, what's up, Lemmy? You don't need camera here. We don't need the assessor, we don't need a renderer. Don't need any of this. We don't assign that. Init can go like so. Now that will do. Then the update won't be needing to do that. Information will be needed in a short while. Now we'll just discard everything. In is and then an event update. Well, this doesn't have a window detection, so it's fine. And then the init, even though if I don't hot reload init and dinit, why would I make them? Well, I will just keep them. It's just easy like that. Context, event. We don't need event, so we can remove that from here. We can still take in the info there. Boom. And that will just look them up, and then this thing just needs to follow that same pattern, so we'll remove that. And then here we don't care about that. Instead, what we'll do is just call context update. And we can do a equal like that just to keep similar, and that should be fine. I think that should be pretty much fine. Let's see, we can go back to main on the server side. Let's check it out, save and see how much it complains. Doesn't, that's great. Still need to make sure that the build script builds with server, and let's try back. And it doesn't do it because server systems file blah blah blah. File not found. What the fuck? It's trying to Let's see. Had to look up Zig language, hadn't heard of it before. Haha, it's okay. And no field member named system D init. Okay, I think I call it something different. Let's see. Systems on the server. System context D init. Why the hell is it called that? Well, we're gonna go with that. So system context init, system context init, and let's see. Then expected one or found to system. Really? Call convention. It just want the context. I'm passing the allocator. I'm a bit of a funny person. And local variables never mutated. Main. Oh, yeah, okay, wait. Don't I need the pointer at any stage? No, I don't need it. I should probably do it though. I feel like this is wrong. Here, this should definitely be a pointer, shouldn't it? It's not. System context. No field member function name system context update. Did I just typo it? System context update. Expected const info found comp time. Yeah, so now here it wants a specific thing, which is just no LSP, rate. It's okay. And we'll just do that, and then we'll go to systems server, and then this info thing there. Not that we're even using it, but I think it will be useful a bit. So that delta time is equal to, well, I will just say 1 for funny. Elapsed time is equal to 0. That's gonna be great. And then passing the world. Right, I have to say world. Con structure, right. So we have to add that. And let's try again. Okay, very nice. It went through full path. It found the SO, it loaded the init protection address, system init. Did I call load? No, of course. No, I did call load. Interesting, that should have been able to load then. But it is failing here. So I'm pretty sure this one is a null right now. Yeah, because if it did work, we would have done this. Interesting that it didn't work. Because everything here is still 1-to-1, and it did find the symbol, looking up symbol. Watcher. Let's see. Load. Looking. Oh no, wait, this one is just saying that it's... But that failed to look up symbol, so it did look it up. And it does assign it. So that doesn't really make sense that it would trash. But it does. Interesting. Weird. But interesting. Let's see. It doesn't even get here, so this should be dynamic library code. But I mean, if it was invalid here, then it should have already have crashed, basically. It should say here failed, but it doesn't say failed, so that would say that it still cannot be invalid. But somehow it is. Okay. It's okay. I cannot see it. Oh, now I see it. Wait, am I in the right main server? Yeah. about that one, the system server, not system client. Context in it still though. Server, but it. How could it then? I should probably not call them the same thing. Well, I can't because it's shared. Fuck. Wait a minute. No, that's still fine. Okay. And why the hell? Why the hell? It oh wait, file name client. What the fuck? Yeah, because it should say server on both of those. Lib file. Oh no, that's just which ones it finds. Then it loads the server one. No, that's fine, because the client does the same thing. It should do the same thing, but it doesn't. Am I dumb? How dumb am I? Nah, what? No, it should be able to. Wait, what the fuck? No, this doesn't make sense. What the hell? File name. It should say the same thing for. Oh, it can just be that, yeah, because it goes through. Okay, wait, because it goes. I shouldn't call it back. Because here I go through each and every one of them, right? And then it just happens to be because it's lib name, and the first time it's the client, and it's like, okay, I don't want the client, and then it goes to second lib, and it's like, that's the server, that's the one I want to use, and then it goes through here, and it basically just loads that information. And it should be fine. And then you don't understand. Main client, let's see. Because that's basically the same I do here. I just load, and then that's literally the same I do over here, and then I just allocate it like that, system table. And that one seems to be fine. But when I do it on the server, it's like, fuck, what the hell are you on about? That's some crazy shit you're trying to do. And I'm like, no, it's not really crazy, it shouldn't be working. Hmm. This, it's fine. So confusing. Why wouldn't be able to load that? Let's see. Pointer. Was it P for pointer? I think it was P, not O. P. And then system table dot, and then I want to see the init, not that. That should be doable, right? Isn't that how you do it? Let's see. No, that should be it. I'm pretty sure about it. And I should just pass, like, what the hell? System context data, it should be alright. It's not. My brain is about to commit suicide. let's see Claude. It's time for Cloud now. Cloud will help us, right? I should get a different version. I understood this one is bad, but it may find something that I'm doing really dumb or something like that, right? I could also run GDB, I guess, but help me. XD. I should actually get the... well, I don't know, I don't understand. I have like some problem with the... let's see, Zigbee... actually, GDB, let's see. Wait. Oh, it was fast. You should be looking at a function signature between client and server. Server sig loaded. Right. Right, wait. Did I just... guess... wait, what does the watcher say? Oh, that watcher shouldn't matter. Yeah, the watcher should be fine. The function server tree furnace. No, I can see the issue. Looking at the function signature between client and server. Server is loaded. Yeah, client system. Yes. The server system context it takes 2 while the takes 3. Server main system context. Yeah. This passes 2 arguments to the function that expects only 2 arguments. Now looking at your debug output, call convention. This shows that the function pointer type is data call convention, which has only 2, but in system server signature should be... but that's also 2 parameters. The issue is that you're loading systems or library, but you're looking for wrong function signature. The symbol lookup returns the function pointer, but the doesn't match what's being called. What? But it does match. I don't understand. The server syntax of the function has different signature than what's being looked up, but the real issue is that when looking up the wrong type, looking at server system line 63, this is the correct signature for the server. The server exported function, yes, takes only 2, yes. The problem is that the library being built might not have the correct symbol export, mismatch library, blah blah blah. Closes in the context. The type shown in this is the system signature. The debug shows that the pointer being printed is system context. It not update the crash calling. But this issue is that the server build, the library server.o is built from source server, yes, which exports, yes, but the client imports system module server. The server exports the import system build. Which is the library being built. Okay. The real issue is the server executor is trying to import from library module that being built in the same build step. So the server mains you should use FFI approach like the client does not import system. The server execute should not import system as module. It should load dynamically and use FFI table. What happened? Minecraft Vulkan, RTX when? Hi, by the way. Hello, Hermpel. Yo, bro, are you reading chat? Yeah, it's, I'm just a bit, frustrated why I'm not getting this to work, and, yeah, this thing is, I don't know if it's even trying to do the right thing.
Are you doing networking?
Yeah. Or trying to get the server up and running again.
Yeah, I'm surprised it doesn't work.
No, it hasn't.
Of course it doesn't work. It's networking.
It doesn't even compile yet. That's the problem. Or it does compile, but it doesn't run. It crashes on runtime because apparently I'm doing is that the compile time main import system module. This imports server system at compile time. The system context type is from compile import blah 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 blah. Oh, what? It's actually giving. But I cannot. No, we cannot do that. No. Bro isn't doing network that he's making not working. Yeah, I'm making not working. It's not working. Let's see. But yeah, it should. I guess we will just change the build then in that case, if that seems to be the problem. Let's see. So shared is fine. These are all fine. This is fine. This is fine. Then in here, when we build the client, let's see. We get the shared, we do this, we say that this will be the path to the client system. This is the system over here, we say root module. That is fine. And then it just goes on with whatever, checking this is for Mac OS or Vulkan, and then it goes to build server. Build server gets the shared, it gets the system server, it's called system, and then system is also applied here. So, but that should still be counted as two different. Why is it called system uppercase? Did my new game just freeze? Oh my god, I start to plot again. Because it should be called system in both, but it should be different systems when you system and system. But that should even have made it even more obvious that they should not be compiled together or in the same. I don't know, man. Which one is the problem? It's a main server now. So weird, so weird. Because it does have the right information. Why? It should be okay. That's the client one. At the compile time serve main import system module. Now it's system with lowercase s. This imports server at compile time. The system is from this compile time import, but at runtime the FFI table loads symbol from the dynamically loaded library, but the function pointer stream doesn't match the compile time type. Well, that's impossible. To fix, the server should not import system as a module, it should define its own types or use a shared interface. The FFI approach requires that the types match between...
Whoa.
Hello.
Hello? No, wait. Hello. No, wait. Is hello backwards hello?
Hello? Yeah?
Hello.
Hello.
Oh. No, ole. Ole. Yeah, my bad.
Oh yeah, ole. Yeah, but
Ole.
I was completely not coding.
Yeah, no, you weren't. How are you?
Yeah. I'm good. How are you?
Oh, I'm good. How are you?
Oh, I'm good.
Hmm.
How are you?
Ah, I'm good. How are
No
you?
way. I'm good.
That's crazy.
How is Harold? Harold, how are you?
I am. I don't know. Despair.
Bro, Harold, you don't know what my school did today. You don't know what my school did. Normally, today would be a day where the whole, like, I would have a free day. Because it's like some special day. Yeah. But you know what the school did?
No.
Today, at like 13 o'clock, They just said, oh yeah, by the way, tomorrow you don't have free, you need to come to school, bro. Because someone is sick, so we can't do the thing with the teachers, so we do the school normally. Bro, for 1.5 months, it was planned that this day, like, we didn't have school. But now we need to come.
What? Nah, bro, that
Yeah,
sucks.
and now everybody's like, basically protesting. So like, I think probably tomorrow, like 200 people won't come to school.
Okay. Yes. Bro, they're
Yeah,
gonna
but I
get
gotta
shadow
come.
banned. You gotta come?
Yeah, because I got a like collective formula that I like.
Formula.
No,
It's the secret
Uh,
formula.
yeah.
It's Krabby
formula,
Patty's, you know,
something like
stuff.
that, yeah. And I just can't leave it. And I mean, I have math with my favorite
You have
teacher.
meth? I knew it. I always knew you had meth. Okay,
Whoa,
so
whoa,
I think something worked there. It did connect.
Yo, do you already have multiplayer?
Well, kind
So
of.
how can I join?
So how can I? Well, something happened, but it wasn't the thing that I wanted to happen. But I forgot to link with libc. That's what the problem was. I did not think that would.
Yeah, you know, in C, this actually can't happen to you.
Shut the
Just
fuck
imagine.
up.
I think it can though. But
Yeah.
bro, what? How are you? What? How are you not? Oh, it's the server. Okay. Also, the windowing, bro, it's so cooked. Like my sheet is on duct tape, right? And like the event pulling for Wayland is so scuffed. I don't even know what to do with it. And I'm trying to look at like GLFW or STL,
Oh,
but they
I
all
wanted
use
to say that.
libdecor. Yeah, but they use
Oh.
libdecor, so which basically abstracts away like literally everything.
So do you?
And then look at lib decor.
Libdecor is awful, bro. I am not using libdecor.
Yeah, but not use it, but look how they do it.
I guess.
I mean, maybe you just get some inspiration and then you see, holy shit, they are cooked. I will make my own way and it's better. Yeah.
Yeah,
So-
for yeah.
so-
No, but like libdecor is a scam because it's called libdecor, right? It does decor, like decorations, but that's false. They actually do all of the windowing. Yeah.
What kind of music has been playing? It's not the. This is not
no,
good.
Bro gets copyrighted now.
Yeah, I'm getting copyrighted now. This ain't good. Why has it not been? Okay, yikes! It happens sometimes. What can you do? It's okay. I want to get the world, and then with the world, we can still ignore cell. Yeah, that should be it. And then I should be able to.
Cheesecake told me to de-slop my code.
Let's see. So if I do this, and then we. Oh yeah. I don't know what that was all about. That doesn't look good, but it's not the problem. And then we do this, and there it hot loads the server now. Woo! That's crazy. Now we just need to make it good. I still feel
Guys,
like
I'm seeing a common theme here in the land of the sea. Like people are doing like methods, and I was like, how the hell are they doing that? Bro, they have function pointers in the structures.
Yeah.
Like, bro, like what are we even doing at this point?
It's quite useful sometimes, yeah.
Bro, but they do it everywhere. Like GLFW, every single Wayland function, every single X11 function, they load dynamically. Bro, that ain't good.
There must be a reason they do it like that, you know, because just imagine, like, they can't all be whaled, you know, like, there gotta be some crazy minds behind that, you know, so, like, I always think there must be a reason that it is like that.
Yeah, the reason is because they want to have their code base be 10 times bigger, but also because, let's say you want to not have OpenGL.
They need
Yes.
to have a 1 million lines in the month.
Exactly, bro. Yeah. Because like imagine it's like 100 functions, like at minimum, right?
Mm.
And then you got to load those, and then they're also doing defines, you know, to like, yeah. So then it's like double, so much global states. I'm disgusted.
So Bill Gates says we should pay them more now.
Well, Bill Gates was on
Was
the
that Bill
island,
Gates?
so
Or
Nah.
was that Musk?
it's a new CEO. Bill Gates hasn't been a CEO for like forever.
Yeah, no, Rose retired.
Yeah, Bros is on his island with the bros.
With the bros. Lucas, you know what's funny is I'm also doing networking right now.
No way, bro.
Yeah,
You know what's funny? Lucas doesn't know any networking.
Yeah, that's funny as well.
yeah.
It's funny.
But
I think
I
we should
also
definitely
don't.
put the server and client right now in different places because the server gets hot reloaded when I do changes to the client.
Wait. I'm gonna say how.
That's so funny.
I'm gonna find a thing about this, Lucas. Okay.
Wait, Lucas, why did you change your name, bro? Bro went actually out of the thread pool, there's no way. Ooh.
Hello, Siri Dev. Random recommendations pool. Oh, what's up? Welcome to this weird stream that we're doing on hot reloading client and server stuff.
I was gonna try to find a meme, but it doesn't exist. I'm schizo. Anyways, Lucas, that's what I've been saying, bro. I have said this, and no one wanted
No,
it.
but you
Bro.
see, I did not foresee that it would haha. I did not foresee that it would be bad with the hot reloading implementation. All right.
Well, bro. I am the only one here who can see
This
5
is-
minutes into the future.
5 minutes, bro.
This
This
is
has been a few months now.
Yeah, well, I kind of predicted that this was going to be a problem.
All
So my
right.
tech predictions for 2026 is that
Lucas is gonna fail.
Hey, shush. 2026, I'm gonna succeed, okay? Welcome, Iravindrad. I nailed that.
bro, Cheesecake is using some functions that I never seen, bro.
Good. Also,
Harold,
Mr. Lubas. What
Mhm.
else is this?
What
Yes,
is what? Well,
no, nothing. Okay, yeah, continue on.
So how are you feeling about your window library? Is it still good, or should we go to GLFW, or what are you thinking now?
Well, that's the beautiful thing, my guy. I can just add a GLFW backend.
What a fucking joke!
Just me on this one. Just me on this one. It's my window library. It's on top of GLFW. Yeah.
Doing a web
This has to be a joke, right?
The backend is very low level, it's Railib.
Yeah, exactly. I'm actually doing windowing. I'm using Railib as the backend, you know.
Yes.
No, but I mean, it's not even like that bad because like you don't have to tinker with like awful like C garbage, right? And it works. Well, like,
See garbage, come on now.
You know, I'm doing a low level game
This is
and I
garbage.
use Python with Pygame.
Oh, yeah, I know Pygame.
exactly. Yeah, Lucas loves that. But like my windowing, I mean, it's just gonna take some fixing. But if you want, I can add a GLFW backend.
Yeah, I guess if you could still make it work the same with like using your API kind of stuff, if that's doable.
Sure.
Yeah, that's just temporarily to just not have weird ass problems kind of going on, right? I know we said not to talk about the fuck ups last time, but I gotta ask. Oh god, no, please don't.
What fuck ups?
I don't know, but I don't want to talk about the fuck ups.
Guys, there's a spider on my wall. I'll be back. I gotta do a secret CIA operation here.
Yeah, he's gonna unalive it.
I'm gonna use a glass and use a paper and put it outside.
What? I thought he was gonna unalive it, but now he's not even gonna do that. SMH, this person. I wanted to check out how far back did I do?
Or far, but it was like, I don't know, in the industrial revolution.
Relation, sure.
revolution.
Let's see. I think we probably had it GLFW. Yeah, it was probably around this age.
What is it called? Is it called the medieval of planetary signal?
Sure. Wait. Hey yo, y'all stop attacking my chibi. They're talking about the things in the thingy. Oh.
The things in the thingy, yeah.
Yes. The fighting stick figures.
Okay, that's a very, very crazy project, bro. I totally see the 300 commits here, not gonna
That's good, T-Chef, that you see the 300 commits, because I surely don't. I'm gonna take this from here. That's why I wanted to go back here, because I actually don't. I did not do this, okay? I was not the one that was supposed to do. What the fuck did I do? Right.
But yeah, now Cheesecake said for real that I need to de-slope my code, because I added abstraction where it actually wasn't used. And he gave me a crazy tip is, it was like, implement the thing first that you want to do, instead of building the abstraction first. Because what my exercise was, or exercise what my I guess exercise, I should have implemented something that like the server can send basically a render command to the client, and the client renders it, right? So what I did first is I did like a render object, which is like a tagged union, and it can be a texture, text, etc., which contains all the data the client needs to be rendered. So then the server sends this render object. But
wait again. Wait. I was uncommenting stuff. What did you say?
Like I've first made a tagged union.
Yeah.
That is basically a render object that has everything it's basically just a structure the server can send, and then the client knows from it what to render. So it knows the type, then position, scale, and depending on what, it has also different information.
Yeah.
And that was fine. But then I added like functions to create those structures easily, which are like not even useful, because like we will only get this from the server as render commands. So like this was actually not useful stuff that I added, so it was slow. Yeah, and the tip Cheesecake gave me is I should have implemented the thing first, where the server sends actually the structures to the client, and the client gets them, and then I can do the abstraction with the render object.
Yeah,
You know?
I would say the same.
Where isn't it lagging completely because you have so many quads that all have this way?
No, it's not because of that. It's because of the printing that it's lagging.
Oh.
If I go to here, this won't be hot reloaded. I should probably make this so this can be hot reloaded. But yeah, if I close that and we remove, the reader will not be happy for not being used now. But it's actually crazy how much it actually lagged from that. But I would say it's because of that.
Now printing is actually a very cool thing.
Yeah. Harold needs to fix his damn window.
I'm done. I going back to this.
Yeah, now bro, Harold, he's been talking shit about you, bro.
Yeah. I cannot take it anymore. Why can't you stop moving up?
Okay, bro, I needed you to stop me back in real fast.
Hey, what are you doing? Was the giraffe always in the corner, or am I crazy? So what I'm doing is trying to make Risk of Rain, basically, but on planets. The giraffe has been there for the past month or two, I guess. Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm allowed to use that. I have been questioning it lately, because it's like I just got it from a random Discord server, or random and random. It was a friend who sent it as an emote. I was like, oh my god, that's so awesome, and then I took it, and I've been questioned like, what is the copyright on that thing? Yeah.
Bam! Now it's from Lucas GmbH.
Yeah, now it's my property. It's my IP. All right. Not really. It was. Yeah, genuinely impressed how Thai convo goes right over my head. How many years of experience do you all have? Harold, isn't you like 1 or 2 years? Two. Yeah.
Well, I've been doing like real programming for 2 years, but I mean, I did like a fancade for like a year, so like 2.5.
2.5. And then T-Chef, how long have you been programming?
2 years.
2 years, yeah. I started programming for real in 2022, so for me it's 4 years. Yeah. I started programming in C back then, so I only count
bro,
that.
I went down the ladder, bro. I started with Python, then I did C# Unity, then I did Java.
Yeah.
Java, and then I did C++, and then I did C. Yeah.
And now it's gonna be Zig real soon, am I right?
Yeah, exactly. Damn, bro, I did not do that many languages. Well, maybe I did.
But this one should now
actually Go and V, bro. Like.
Yeah, V wasn't.
Actually, I don't understand the V option. Like, it's actually insane.
We don't talk about V. Anyways, I started with like C# in Unity, I guess, for like a month, and then I was like, this ain't it. And then I moved to Godot and used that for like a couple of months, like 3-4 months ish. And I don't count that as real programming, really, because it's like not that much programming. I mean, I did learn some basics, but like it was at the end of my Godot usage where I learned like types, and from there it just snowballed kinda. Yeah, and then I just learned Go, and then
like if I would go from the very beginning. Oh wait, Harold, you finish first, but
Nah, and then after the C it was a Zig, yeah.
But
that's crazy,
right?
Yeah, I did C for like a month, yeah.
Then
Then I was like, this is shit, and then yeah.
Nah. But yeah, like if I'm very, very explicit, then I would have started with HTML and CSS. And I did
that ain't valid. Not languages, not programming.
3 days. I did it for 3 days, but I never touched JavaScript. Yeah, I did for 3 whole days. Then I did C# for a week with Unity. Then I did Python for 3 months. Then I did Java for a month. Then I did C++ for a 3/4 year. And then I did C till now.
Guys, we got it. We have it. It connects to the socket that there's a player being connected, and
that's like easy, bro. I could do that in like 5 minutes.
Yeah, and now we just need to make. I think we need to make the build script separate for client and server, because this is
Good luck.
I don't need luck, but I'm just saying it's not good. This setup right now. Yeah, and then I should probably talk with Lorenzo how much he's up for still doing the Mac OS, because if he's not up for it, then we could at the same time just remove the Mac OS implementation stuff. Because I think it's just more pain to try to. I'm gonna ask right now. I have exam, forgot about it in 2 days. I'm gonna log in the fucking. What the hell? How dare you prioritize exams over rotors? How dare you? How dare you?
What do you mean with rotors, bro?
Okay.
He doesn't want to answer this question.
No. What do you mean? What do you mean? And what do I mean with rotors?
Yeah, what do you mean with rotors?
Rotors. Do you know what rotors are, or what do you mean? What do I mean?
Nah, I don't know what you mean with rotors, nah.
But do you know what rotors are?
Like, depends. Like, right now I don't know. Nah.
Okay, you don't know what rotors are. All right. There's actually a few good links that we got here. Wait, let me pull them out real quick. This one is pretty good, but I think this one is better. This is
Also Quaternions.
yeah, it's Quaternions, but I think it's Quaternions, but it's to the second power, like this kind of stuff, and trying to understand that. And they are supposedly
hell nah, bro.
supposed to be like way more precise than Quaternions and easier to use, even though it doesn't look like it first glance. I haven't read it yet, but I'm kind of hoping not to read it, so because then
Wait, alright. Can you scroll up? I want to see how they're called.
And Gilded could do this instead, but he has an exam now apparently, so.
Rotors. And they're easier than Quaternions. I mean, that's fire.
Yeah, they're supposed to be easier. Crazy, hope you all have a great careers ahead, all while planning AI stupefying.
Career.
Career.
And work.
Yeah. I don't think AI will take the jobs. No. I mean, I try to use AI for a lot of tasks, but it's always like, unless if it's like some simple vibe coded app using TypeScript or some JavaScript, something like Python or something like that, then I guess it can work with it. But as soon as you go to something like, I think even Java, it starts to fuck up. And it's like, just do the thing. Okay, it can still fuck up on Python and JavaScript, but it's unlikely. But it can still do it. To be honest, Quaternions on onions, whatever that rotation stuff is, really stupid. They just make math harder and everyone's life painful. Yeah, but Oilers just gets fucked when you try to use them in the... The Oilers will just break in rotations.
Like, it's not that you do the same thing, just more complicated. Like, you actually get something out of using Quaternions.
Yeah. But I guess Oilers still work to a great extent, but when you especially want to do that and try to get rotations right, when I say data pointing upwards and show the planet movement, and you want to keep the rotations when you go around the planet or doing an aircraft or something like that, then Oilers won't do. But I guess Oilers are still fine for like flat surface, first-person shooter or something like that. I don't think.
But there's just no reason to use it because like Quaternions aren't the most difficult, you know. Like they're like you could learn them and you gotta implement them one time, and after that you're done, bro. You're done for life. You're gonna
Yeah.
retire.
Well, I guess, but yeah. Okay, wait. I'm gonna ping Lorenzo and let's see what he has to say. We are moving the server and client to different build scripts. I can put so people on the stream can as well see. Scripts. Now everyone can see that I do a lot of typos. Are used on with Mac OS Metal Nation. Or maybe I should ask it a bit more kindly.
Or else I will drop your payment.
Or else I will drop your payment. I think you would understand that I mean it as a joke then. Or else I'm dropping your payment. It would be beneficial to drop.
Nah, bro, that's a little bit too... I wouldn't say the last thing.
But I need to somehow clarify to him that if we can remove it. Because otherwise I'm just vaguely saying that are you gonna do it? That doesn't give any kind of clearance to what I'm implying.
Okay.
I think that's like... Because then I'm asking him like if not... Like if he's not, then I will just drop it. And it would be beneficial, not to like hurt him, but it just to be beneficial for the project. I think that's pretty clear. Yeah. We'll go with that. Ship it. Oilers? Eulers? Shut up. But yeah, that's okay. Okay. I'm actually planning. I'm planning so much stuff, but it's okay. We need to. I think I don't. I cannot. I can't start moving stuff actually around right now. What would be the best way to actually split this thing? Should I have 2 separate repos or should I?
For the client and server.
Yeah.
Nah, bro, just put a build in there, bro. Like what you should do is instead of having source, you should have the shared client and server, and then have source inside of those.
Ah. No,
I
but I was
guess
thinking
you
if they
can
were
do that all.
separate project, it would also be easy to just navigate. When I search for main, I don't get 2 mains like
No,
this.
it wouldn't.
Like, but with, you know, like how we do it. Like I know it's C, but yeah, we actually just have a client.c and a server.c, both in source.
Can you send a link? Hello,
Nah,
Iris.
bro, that's terrible, bro. But just like everything else in C.
Hey,
Like,
Harold, shush.
like you know, yeah, I'm not like gonna agree a little bit here, bro. But we don't have the cleanest project structure. But yeah. But you also gotta keep in mind this is the new project we're doing, like not the old one.
Hmm.
So it's like not very old. To be honest, like 1 day old. Yeah.
And that's crazy.
It's in the C chapter, right?
Alright, let's take a look. Dependencies. Ah, okay, sorry. I cannot continue.
Yeah,
PC, Linux, I don't know, shit, but I do know. Free type 2, STV, glad. Is this like Swedish glad, like glad, happy? The music sounds...
like glad.
The music
Bro,
sounds
imagine not using your
double.
own OpenGL.
Oh, it actually might be double because of the... How double does it sound? Like it's really bad or kind of bad? Actually, we can fix that. Oh wait, but now I want to... Okay. Wait, let's see, I can... How do I... How do I get rid of this line? Like so. So now it should not be double, but I cannot hear the music, but you guys should hear it. And it shouldn't be bad anymore. Yeah. Oh man, no. But why do you have to do this? Because if... I'm glad I don't use Zig. I have to do it because the audio is otherwise so freaking loud in my eardrums when I try to hear what Harold or T-Chef says.
Hello. Hey,
Yeah.
sister. Hello. Yo, what's up?
If we just keep the audio, which I hear from my headset, then it's super quiet on the stream. Like people don't hear the music at all. So that's why I do this. Well, I guess I could... No, I cannot get this without that. How fucked up is your audio to be like this, Lamo? No. Wait, I can show you guys. That's if I put it back like this, right? So now I can hear the audio, and then we take it off from here. So now it's not amplified, right? It's just now it's how I hear it, but it's super quiet. I think it's super quiet at least. Do you not have your OBS set up with tracks? I do. But when you record, when you stream, you're only streaming to one audio track. You cannot stream through multiple tracks. You do have, I have different, can actually do that as well. So in here, you can see, this is the pulsar. This is basically what you guys hear. Now I disabled it. Then it's the desktop audio, so it should start playing the next track. And there you can see it slightly. And then this is just my microphone. What we can do... Whoops, I took the chat. My bad, guys. Okay. Boom. So if I go into... Wait, what happened? Then... Oh, no, that's wrong, bro. You need to do it in the isolated audio capture. But it is an isolated one. This one is only for the... Or am I understanding? Like, this is only for the stream, right? So if I plug this in here, this one is way louder, so you guys can now hear the Spotify audio being plugged into this thing, so you can hear.
By the way, is the iris in the Twitch chat the iris?
Iris
Like
paradox.
the goat?
Yeah, it is. It is the iris.
Like winded? The goat
Yeah,
goat?
yeah, it is winded the goat. Yeah, exactly.
Damn.
Desktop audio should be removed, but then you guys cannot hear Harold or T-Chef.
Remove them. You know, we're like your when you're cheating at a chess tournament, we're like, yeah, you can speak in the ears and like say, oh yeah, wait, you forgot a semicolon here.
Then you look smart.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, we can do that, Iris. But how about is it okay to do it off stream or like yeah? Let's see. Sure, nice. Okay, then let's see. I want to see how you guys organize the stuff here. You have server
It's
and
very simple.
client. Okay. Where is
If
the
you go to the build?
and the build?
Mhm.
Okay. Wait,
Let's
build
build.
there.
You see, like we build it into different application, like which makes sense, you know. But yeah, it's like 2 different files.
Damn, I haven't seen. Is this make file?
No, this is bash file.
It's just bash. It looks still so similar to the setup of a make file though.
Yeah, because I don't know, I'm influenced by make.
Ah. I was like, because where's the make file extension? That's crazy. Okay. Anyways, we'll now. I guess we'll just reorganize these things and make a new build. Actually, I'm gonna git push first. Did I do that already? I don't know. Git commit. How much did we do this time? Not too much. Oh my god. Client server connection working version 0.1. Like so. What we actually can do to make this a bit easier is that we can do this, and I think it's with Control N, yeah. So let's see, so we will just take these things out into here. This is gonna be, we're gonna have a few problems, but that's okay. Boom. Did I do that right? I think I did that right. And then source will be empty. So then we can remove source. No, actually we can. No, oh shit, I pressed the wrong button. No, okay, it's okay. So we can delete source. And then inside of server, we can create source again. And then we can just move everything inside of it. And then inside of client, we have this, but we're gonna create the source like so. Move everything in there, and then, well, shared can exist just like as it is outside of here. Then we'll take the build. Will they have, how is this supposed to be better? Is it supposed to be build.son also separately for both of them? Yeah. So we'll copy this, and we'll put one inside of the server and one inside of the client. Where did the client go? There it is. And then we will just remove that from there, and I think that should be better. So now we have them at the top over here. We can first make client work, because client should work even though the server is not running. So what we'll do is just get rid of anything to do with the server. And we can still keep this as it is. And let's quickly try to do a run. Right, we don't even need now any longer to do it the way we're doing it actually, because it can just be all in one. We can take all of this away from here. Yeah, but do you have to, now you have to be inside of the directory that you want to run, right?
Yeah.
Yes. That's fine. I think that's probably just even better, because then you're clearer about what you're trying to do. And then we won't be doing that anymore. I always wanted to join a cool coder stream. Hello, Mike. What's going on, bro? Ah, well, welcome. Thank you. See, Harold, we're cool. We're a cool coder stream right now.
We?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think your code is pretty shit.
Oh, but it's not about the code. It's about the cool guys, right?
Mm.
It's going good. It's going good. We are kind of moving things around because yeah, we are doing a bit of weird stuff. I'm a big fan of hot reloading shit, so and that made things a bit weird with our build script, so we're moving that around. Basically, we're just
Because
separating the client and the server.
I have good news for
Sounds
you.
a crazy stream. Crazy. I was crazy once. Locked me in a room, a rubber room. Okay. And we're gonna make it work with the run, so we have to be cool, crazy, yeah, crazy. Okay. I haven't done these run steps, Harold. Do I need this at all any longer?
Yes.
Okay, wait. What do I do with these then? How do they work? What do?
Just remove the dash client, whatever, and just put it in each of the things. So it's, you know.
Wait. So is you still have to do this every time, kind of?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else than that, or is that just it?
I may change the description from run the client to just run the application or at the app or whatever.
I think run the
Oh, no,
client
it's
makes-
slap. No.
Yeah, it makes sense.
It's
It didn't run though.
my pro.
Right, because it's the wrong
This
path.
build is gonna be such a mess.
Oh, no,
you're gonna
it's
get a PR in like tomorrow or something.
You're gonna get a PR. I can't wait. Oh no. Yeah, but this is from, so I have to do // now with this, I think. Anyways, what's coding? Actually, I also design character and gaming designs, so this is how I get inspired, bro. Ah, crazy. Nice. Basically trying to make a game like Risk of Rain, but on planets without using a game engine. That's the goal. We're gonna succeed. Okay, that's how it's gonna work. I have decided that so, and that's how it's going to go. Just have to learn a lot of shit, but it's gonna. Oh shit. This has to also be a // And this thing now will be source, but then we won't be doing this anymore. And then it will be system, and then same for source, will go straight to main. And is there anything else I need to worry about? No, because the system should take care of that. I think that should be it. Let's see if I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Now the problem is that to return error, connection refused. That's because we do need the we need to establish a connection, but we don't do that. So what we're gonna do instead is just forget about the connection. And that should work now. And it did. Yay! That's cool, bro. What's the project? What the project does? It's just a game that's gonna be basically. There's nothing more to it. So now we can try to take the server back and see if we can get it to work. So we're gonna go in here, we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna Actually, this one is all outdated. So let's just reopen it and check. Now you can go to server, build, and it's gonna have the reverse. It's just gonna run with the server instead of the client. So we're gonna remove that, all of this, and then we can take this away from here. We can take that, put it over there, and then we can take away that, and then we can take away this. I'm still gonna leave this here because I'm not really sure about how to do if what's gonna happen, but we're gonna check it out. We're getting to that point soon. And then we're gonna do that. Then we're gonna be now. This will go into source, but we won't be needing to do that. And same, this thing will go into source. We don't. What the fuck just happened? Okay, I don't know. And then we can remove server there, and I think that should be it. Let's run it. Build server. Right, CD server. And it's still called server there. Boom, it runs. Now we can just remove it, so it will be called run. And let's try again. Yeah, and then we have to do that, and it runs, and then if we go in here and we run the client, boom, it connects and it says that there's one entity connected. That's great. So it's a multiplayer game. Yeah, it's a multiplayer game. Then we can open Sun. Oh nice, this is so convenient. And yeah, this one will be needing all of these things, while this one, Sun. Oh, this is so much better. We will need these, yes. We won't be needing Shader C. We won't be needing, yes, we won't be needing Vulkan. We won't be needing VMA. We might be needing physics. Wasm runtime. I don't think this is even needed over here. Maybe there was some runtime depending on, I don't know, I haven't spoken with Lorenzo, but that should be fine to run like this. Yeah. But this one will still be needing all of this. Physics might not actually be needed in the client. Ideally, we could run everything on the server. That would be like the best option. We'll have to see. Maybe have to do some prediction. But I mean, I'm still more curious to find out like how bad can it go with running it on the. Okay, now this is a bad idea. I'm just gonna do that. But this is cleaner. I like it. I like it a lot.
Audiotrope. Hello.
Hello, Audiotrope. Yes. Oh, that's nice. That's very, really nice. There's so many people joining today in the streams. I feel almost happy about it. I'm very happy about it. But I have to.
Only almost.
Only almost happy about it. It's okay. It's great. Yeah.
I almost forgot to leave a nice comment on the stream today.
How could you? I was getting worried, man. Yeah.
Can you sub like? Yes, you can sub, right? Yeah. Holy shit.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah,
You
bro.
can do
doesn't
it.
wait for you to spend the money, bro. If you want to spend it.
But I love giving Amazon 99 cents and giving Lucas 1 cent. Amazing.
Yes, that's what I like to hear.
Very.
But that I do, if you're for real considering that, I do have coffee, which is
Nice.
more ideal. I tried to do some rank stuff there. I might actually be able to do something a little bit. Do you got Discord, bro? Yeah, I do have. I wonder, because of Restream, I think there should be a. Now I'm gonna leak everything. Okay, thank God. Thank God it's not there. I think there's
gambling with.
but there should be like info or something. Yeah, there. So you should. I might be same as your. There. So there you got the Discord and also the YouTube. Is it the same for if you do it on YouTube?
Coffee?
Wait. Does it work, guys, or is it just? Am I just getting? What's happening?
I think you're just getting.
Wait, but why does it work? Why does it work for me, not for anyone else? Oh, let me take a look. Yeah. I swear to God, I should. Oh, let me. Man, I'm very experienced with these things. As you clearly can see, I have full control of what I'm doing. What the fuck is going on?
Stream Deck, the charts on a second monitor, looking at your view count, looking
Yeah,
at your
I can
6.1
see.
antenna, the console of yeah.
Thread builds. Now it is clean. Hashtag. Can you put hashtag trust? It is though. Never.
Hashtag Trump.
And there it goes. I said
you
it
need to
before.
include
This is
the
a cool,
audience in
crazy
your
stream.
And your commit. Lucas.
What?
In your commit, do. By the way, a thing that also Cheesecake told me, I don't know if you know. Do you know the -- amend flag in the commit command?
No, I don't know. Dash amend? What was it?
Yeah, if you wait, if you have something like, for example, you did a commit, right?
Hmm?
And now you realize, oh wait, actually I messed up this print or something very small
Hmm?
that you just want to change. Instead of doing a new commit, you can basically change your old commit and just add it to your old one so that you don't have a new commit for it. So that you're not commit farming, you know?
That sounds pretty good.
Yo, this guy from the chat joined with this.
Bro, by the way, bro, do you want to see my crazy stuff as well? You'll definitely gonna love it, for real. That's just crazy. Actually, I think I'm gonna turn off for today. And but who is this Lucas guy? He's crazy. Tomat, Tomat, you. Welcome. Sadly, I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna dip for today. Whole whopping, if I can count right, there should be 4 of you. I don't know. It feels like you have been like 50 here today, but that's crazy still. But I'm gonna have to go. I will still stay. If you join the Discord server, I will stay there in the normal voice, and yeah, you can show me if you wanted to show me the crazy stuff for a while before I go to bed. It was a nice room. Nice. All right. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Same time as always. Bye bye.
Same time as always.
Yes. Wow. Before I go to bed.
You still live?
I'm just waiting for the end streams to come in.
I see.
There. And then so people can